Hello everyone. So for today, I want to do a quick show or quick Etsy share of redeemable junk journals. She has a lovely Etsy shop, Brittany Sanders, and I ordered some beautiful old these are prescriptions cards back in the day, and these are void receipts, and they are magnificent. One's actually from a check to the Coca-Cola bottling company in 1936. I really thought that was cool. So I just wanted to do a quick shout out to her. Thank you. And I will make sure to put this video in your shop or in the review. So love these. I wanted to make sure I kept them together. Now I want to also work on our little journal here, accordion journal. So let's get going with that. This is one of the books that we popped open, and our envelope piece here. So not exactly sure how I'm going to do this, but I thought bring you along, let you see what I'm doing instead of just doing it all and everything. I try to make sure I show you step by step what I've been doing in order to create these pieces. Now, not everybody does this, but if I'm going to make a pocket when it's made out of one of these pieces that I bent, I try to get that inside a little bit, just because then it'll have the strength a little bit more on both ends. So that, I'm just gonna pop this over here because obviously this is there, and then this will fold out. So I love doing that little piece there. All right. Now we've been going with a specific theme, so I'm trying to stick with that of this stencil that I have. And so, yeah, this is probably the first time you've ever seen my nails done too. I was a part of a party thing on Facebook with some free samples, so I decided, okay, I'll try it. Nothing against trying new things. So that's what I've been doing. Like I always do, I just try. I was part of a party and figured might as well try their product. Normally I don't do them parties, but that party I just felt like I haven't done anything like that in a long time. Might as well try it, see if I like it. And Bella decided that she liked the nail polish so much she had me buy her some too. So that was nice. All right. Now, I know that I need to fill this. I did put one little piece from over here into it, but I knew I wanted to fill it with some stuff inside the pocket. So I was thinking maybe something like this inside it. So I'm just going to grab this and cut across. Cut this down a tiny bit. And we have that. But I was also thinking, let's take our little piece here and distress that behind too. So it has a little bit of cohesion with the journal itself. Stick it in there. All right. Now I'm going to cut this part off. And I was thinking of adding another little journaling piece here. To fit right inside there, like that. Now all I have left is this piece, and it really isn't going to fit very well in that pocket here unless we do something with it. So I bent it in half and I just stuck it in. So now that we have pretty much filled, I want to add some stuff to this part too. And I was just thinking, do I have small die cuts that would work for that? Probably. So I have a few of these from a different one, and I was just thinking that'd be so cute, just adding a few little pieces in there just as a part of the piece. So it ain't like extremely decorated, but enough where we're creating a cute little piece. Bella must be listening to a video or watching a video about sticker organizing again. Alright, now this is gonna slip right in here, and again, this just creates more journaling space. And it fits right in, no problem. Now I was thinking, I don't really like how plain that is by itself, and I had some of this paper here, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna cut out a piece like this, and I have some coffee dyed paper here, and I'm gonna glue that on to it. Because I don't think this part matches the rest of it very well. So I am using art glitter glue because I don't want it moving around too much. And I'll also be showing you why else I was using art glitter glue in a second here. I am angling this. So we're making, again, a flap for this piece. I think I'm going to take my Distress ink and just swipe it around it just to give it a little added color all the way around. because again, that's the point of doing this, is to add more journaling space in tiny ways to create a very cute piece within it. Okay, now that this is dry, I can stick this right in. Yeah, just right in there. And ta-da! So that flips out, this flips up, there's flips in there. I kind of went flip crazy here. But it's definitely getting way thicker. I just wanted to show you that because, again, we have this page to finish, this page to finish, and then our front and back. And then that concludes the whole piece. And again, I'm just trying to make it as cohesive as possible with each other. So, I mean, again, it has lots of butterflies and different things in it. Each page has its own little theme, and that's what I was trying to do, is keep it with its own little theme throughout. Some vintage, some not so vintage, and all that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little envelope, accordion envelope that we have been making. And enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.